Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin crypto stock. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video for the amazing secrets on how the crypto stock can make you a millionaire. Also, stick around for some of our awesome Bitcoin predictions. Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency of value today, but it is the best of them all. I mean, it's making headlines every day in the business world, and more people are diving into it day in and day out. Why? It's technically a fast way to make a fortune without cutting corners. With Bitcoin, many lives have been transformed with a major boost in their finances as it rises in stock. It also serves as a great and secure means of payment in any transaction without the hassle commonly attributed to banks, debit, and credit card companies. There's been a recent influx of investors into the cryptocurrency market as investors and as traders. It comes out that a lot of people have been advised to invest their funds, and crypto is a great way to do that and earn massively on their investments. However, not everyone fully understands the scope of Bitcoin as a standard and measure of value and what it entails, as well as how to earn from it. It can get complicated, but watch through till the end of the video to learn the basics of Bitcoin investment. What is Bitcoin? In any country, this is cryptocurrency 101 for beginners. Bitcoin is a digital currency created by Satoshi Nakamoto. The name translates to unknown individual. It was designed to operate on decentralized public technology known as the blockchain. The blockchain is a system that most people do not fully understand, and we will get to that later in the video. Bitcoin exists on a preemptive platform that operates at a cheaper rate than banks and credit card issuers. Its transactions are executed via a process called hashing. When a transaction is processed within the system, it becomes a block on the blockchain. Key facts you need to remember about Bitcoin is that it is a limited currency because it cannot be created, but is regularly circulated. Its rise and fall in value are reminiscent of its scarcity. The price of Bitcoin increases depending on the rate at which it can be produced. A single Bitcoin is a line of code that cannot be replicated or modified. It is regulated by the very strict rules guiding the blockchain, which invalidates modifications. No one can manipulate the blockchain by adding blocks out of the blue. The Bitcoin wallet. Owners of Bitcoin have a Bitcoin wallet. To understand this, picture your real wallet, how it operates, and imagine a virtual wallet on the Bitcoin network. The wallet is symbolized by an address just like your email address or private mail address where you receive and send messages. It's regulated by a private key that certifies that you own the Bitcoins allocated into your wallet via the blockchain. And without it, no transaction can occur. There are two types of wallets: software and hardware wallets. Software wallets are mobile applications that work with your conventional bank account. These wallets enable quick and easy access to Bitcoin, but the disadvantage is they put your money in the hands of a third-party corporation. Although the top software wallets such as Coinbase, Luno, Coinomi, etc. are trustworthy, popular third-party companies have collapsed or been hacked in the past. For beginners, Coinbase is an easy place to start because it's connected directly to a Bitcoin exchange, which eases the buying and selling process. It's the most popular software wallet, and it has a website, a mobile application, and stores 98% of customer currencies offline for added security. Your wallet displays the amount of all Bitcoin in it just as cash would in a real wallet. The single way to access your wallet is via your private key for sending or receiving. The wallet and private keys are connected by a signature, which notifies the network about any ongoing transaction you make. Private keys must never be revealed as they allow you to spend Bitcoins for the respective Bitcoin wallet. A private key is a long combination of numbers, letters, or symbols that cannot be guessed. It provides the sole user with the right to send or receive Bitcoin via a specific wallet. Safety is of paramount importance in this case, to avoid being scammed by fraudsters. Therefore, you should be careful with whom you share your wallet address. You can save your private key on your computer or trusted remote servers if you're using a software wallet and a web wallet respectively. Transactions with Bitcoin have no third party. There are no subcharges. It functions via a peer-to-peer system that allows two individuals to interact directly with each other. The blockchain is a dispersed public ledger on which the whole Bitcoin system depends. All confirmed transactions are included in the blockchain. It allows Bitcoin wallets to calculate their spendable balance to verify new transactions, thereby ensuring the spender owns them. Its role is as simple as that. It protects both the buyer and the seller of any cryptocurrency. How do I get Bitcoin? There are only two ways to get Bitcoin. First is via Bitcoin mining, and secondly, buying from exchangers. Bitcoin mining generates Bitcoin via a controlled system that completes hardware calculations on the Bitcoin network for every transaction. It is a means of ensuring security and getting rewarded for the job by collecting transaction fees and receiving newly mined Bitcoin. Let's pause here for a second. Earlier, I said that Bitcoin could not be created. Here's what I meant. A system has been set in place to regulate the number of Bitcoins in circulation since its inception. It's been established in 2009 that the total amount of Bitcoins that will ever exist is a staggering 21 million Bitcoins. By 2014, the number of Bitcoins in circulation was about 12 million. And at that point, it meant that there were only about 9 million waiting to be discovered. Bitcoin was generated at the beginning relatively easily, and as it rose in value, it became harder to mine as we got closer to the 21 million Bitcoin mark. Fast forward to 2020, it is more or less scarce. According to CNBC, the last Bitcoin will be generated by the year 2140. How Bitcoin mining works. A particular transaction between two individuals is ongoing. If one party sends Bitcoin to the other party, a Bitcoin miner stands in the gap by listening in on the transaction via the network. All transactions are broadcasted to the Bitcoin network and usually begin to be confirmed within 10 to 20 minutes through the process of mining. Mining enforces a chronological order in the blockchain, which protects the network's integrity and enables different computers to agree on the network state. Miners perform complex calculations within seconds to confirm transactions, which are then accepted by the system and the miner gets rewarded. To effectively mine Bitcoin, you need hardware known as application-specific integrated circuit chips and other relevant software for running the mining rigs, good internet, and an all-round power supply. Bitcoin exchanges are relatively easy as long as you have a digital wallet, personal identification documents, strong internet service, a payment mode, and a crypto exchange account. You can get Bitcoin at specialized ATMs and via peer-to-peer exchanges. As discussed earlier, your Bitcoin wallet is central to this. Bitcoin forms the basis for all cryptocurrencies. It was the first of its kind, and it stands on top of the pack. Many people have found jobs in dealing with Bitcoin, especially exchangers and coin traders, who capitalize on the fluctuations in the value of Bitcoin in the global market against other coins such as Ethereum, Tron, XRP, etc., and of course the dollar. It paved the way for other decentralized systems to invade the global currency market. The value of Bitcoin is consistently on the rise against the dollar, and it's paying big for people who already cast their net in its pool since its inception. Traders earn largely from the predictions they make on the rise and fall in Bitcoin's price. They engage in top-notch Bitcoin technical analysis to predict the bearish and bullish trend of the cryptocurrency when pitted against another coin or the USD. They opt to buy Bitcoin when they predict its rise and are quick to sell when there's a high chance of slipping down the charts. It's a win-or-lose scenario. Platforms like Binance have made a name for themselves amidst traders because their platform has aided the ease of trading cryptocurrencies. Other platforms serve the role of a crypto exchange medium. Buyers and sellers can meet each other and exchange Bitcoin based on their transaction agreement. It presents a monitored trading atmosphere linked directly to the global market. A lot of users have made a huge fortune from using these platforms. There's no better time to buy Bitcoin than now. You can store it in your Bitcoin wallet and prepare to sell it when the value rises. Bitcoin valuation is on the rise and is currently valued at above $18,000. And it gets higher. It's not too late to hop on the train. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What other cryptocurrencies do you know about? Please let us know in the comment section below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. See you next time.